back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. We're back working on the Nugget again today. So today is paint day for the body. You're not going to get to see the colour, unfortunately, for you. But yeah, so there's a bit of prep work still left to do. Not on the car, but just getting everything ready and set up for the paint. The body is all sanded. Everything's ready to go. I got to remask up a couple of bits here. We got to redo the back window. I have to sand back like these bits here, where I had to put some edge primer on them because we rubbed back to steel. There's some fucking bird poop on it already, and like this bit, and then that's it. The car will get a wax and grease. We'll set up a portable or temporary spray booth there, push the car into it, we'll wax and grease it again, tack cloth it, and then Sab's gonna colour clear. In the meantime, while that's happening, I am going to be sanding back those bumpers with a friend, getting that done. And yeah, so that's basically going to be it. I'm not going to bother filming anything on the bumpers. I'll do some filming on this. But yeah, I'm not going to be able to see the colour. So I'm pretty excited. I'm keen to get this in colour, A, because it's going to be done, and B, because I'm keen to see the colour. The colour that I've had sitting on the shelf for about 7 or 8 years. It was going to go onto a VH that I brought. It ended up rusting through in the floor pans, and I ended up scrapping the car, but that's not a point. So I've had the paint sitting there. It's a nice colour, and I'm really looking forward to seeing it on this car. So hang around, we've got a couple more time lapses to go, and that's going to be it. So yeah, we'll get stuck into it, prepping, sanding, and then we'll set up the booth and get the car in it. Booth set up now. Done the sanding on these edge primered parts. Still got to wax and grease it. But we set up the booth, and I think Sav's gonna maybe tape these up. I'm not too worried about it. He's in there raking at the moment, and then we'll probably wet the grass down and then push her in, prep the whole car. Might set up the camera for that, but it's pretty boring. And then redo the masking on this. So I'll yeah, sanded that bit and a couple other bits there. I'll come back when I've got some more. That's going to be it from me in this video. So I've just put down the first coat of colour on it now. Really nice colour. I'm really happy with the colour choice and the way it's turning out. Hopefully you guys will be when I make the reveal video for it. So it's really hard to do. That's going to be it from me in this video. We're just going to lay down. It's getting really late now. I gotta get home, but we're going to lay down a few more layers of clear on it, let it bake overnight, and then basically we've still got the bumpers to go, and that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah, it's coming out really good. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to show it to you guys. It's a shame that I'm not showing you now, but I want to try and make a really nice video to reveal it. So yeah, I know the video footage probably isn't going to be the best. It's a little bit hard to see through the windows in the carport or spray booth. Excuse me. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the progress. Hope you're as keen as I am to see the car out in the sun and finished, because it looks amazing. And yeah, that's going to be it from me again, and I will see you guys in the next one. By the time this goes up, I'm probably going to be in Japan. I'm not going to bother filming any more of the car now, so next time you guys see this car, it's going to be finished. And yeah, so thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one from Japan, probably. Bye.